Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 18, writing about the past. Lesson number 4, sharing stories about a fun trip. Okay children, keywords are experience, difference. Okay children. Yes children, today we have to share our stories about fun trip children. Okay, in classroom you can share the fun trip stories with your partners, but we can't do this right now. So what we will do, I will experience my fun trip to you all. Okay children, what all I did in my fun trip I will tell to you. Let us compare what happened. Okay children, I went to zoo. We all went to zoo. I went with my children. You went with your parents. Okay. There I have seen so many animals. Okay. I have seen so many birds. I ate lunch in a restaurant. Okay, children. And after that, I took many pictures. And I went to safari park also in the zoo. Huh? And then I came back home. I enjoyed the trip a lot. You also went to zoo, but you went with your parents. Okay, I ate in the restaurant. What you did, you took the tiffin with you. It can happen. Okay, if I compare my fun trip with yours, so some differences will be there. Though we went to the same place, children all went to zoo only, but we have different experience means what children, what we feel. Okay, when we do something we feel, no children, happy. Fun trip means we feel happy and we will be enjoying the trip. So experience will be different. My experience will be different and your experience will be different. I went by two-wheeler, but you went by car also. Somebody will goes by bus also, children, like that. So we have to share stories about a fun trip. You can ask at home if your cousins are there. You can just ask your cousin about their fun trips. Like that you can discuss it, children. Okay, children, till here clear, children? Children, now all open your workbook, page number 13. Write the date, children. S4. Sharing stories about a fun trip. Children, as we are not in our classroom, actually for this we have to, first bit is work in pairs. Ask your partner the following questions. Okay, children, so now you didn't discuss the stories, you didn't share the stories amongst yourself, but teacher shared her story, her fun trip with you. So name a bit, name of group member. So I'll write here my name, Nusrat. Okay, B bit, where did you go, when did you go, with whom did you go. So here answers for these questions are: last week I went to zoo park. I went with my children. Okay, children. And then C bit is: what did you take along with you? I took my camera. Okay. And then fourth D bit: how did you go? Sorry, how did you get there? I went there on a scooter. What did you see and do there? I saw different animals and took some photos. Next question: did you enjoy the trip? Would you like to go again? Yes, I enjoyed the trip. I like to go again. This question, children, question number 2. Think of a question that you want to ask your partner about his her fun trip. Write the question below. Children, this question also you have to discuss with your friends, then you have to write. But here you can ask me whether I have ate snacks over there or not, did I eat ice cream over there or not. Okay, so here we will write like this, children: did you eat snacks there? Okay, so write neatly your workbook S4, complete it. Okay, children, meet you in the next class. Thank you.